Hello everyone, welcome to mechanical.com. In this playlist, we are going to practice all the exercises. So don't forget to save the playlist for more videos. In this video, we are going to design this part. So first of all, see its drawing. This is our 2D drawing. So there are four patterns. We will draw one pattern and then we will use mirror command for the other three patterns. Let me tell you the dimensions. All the dimensions are in millimeter. This length is 135 millimeter. This height is 75 millimeter. This length is 75 millimeter. And the angle between this line and this line is 45 degree. And same on the other side, 45 degree. The length of this line is 135 millimeter and also this line is 135 millimeter. There are two circles. The outer circle has a diameter of 120. See, the radius is 60, so diameter will be twice of radius. So the diameter of outer circle will be 120 and the diameter of inner circle is 80. So we will draw this part by using line command and then use smart dimension for proper dimensioning and then mirror. So go to Solidworks, open a new part file. Okay. Make sure that the unit system is mmgs system. Now go to right plane, normal, draw random lines and at the end we will adjust them by using smart dimension. Also draw these lines like this. Now go to smart dimension and give proper dimensioning. This line is 75 millimeter and this line is 135 millimeter. Also this line is 75 millimeter and this line is 135 millimeter. The angle between this line and this line is 45 degree. So our one part is complete. Now we will use mirror command and make other three parts. Okay. For this purpose, first of all, draw two center lines, one vertical and one horizontal. First of all, draw vertical center line like this and also the horizontal center line like this. Okay, now go to mirror entities, select these lines, press the control key and left click. Mirror about this vertical center line. See? Okay. Now we want these two parts on the upper side. So we will use again mirror entities and select all these lines. Press the control key and left click. Select all these lines at once. And we want to mirror them about horizontal center line. See? Now we want to draw two circles. See where these two center lines meet. This is the center. So draw two circles from this center and use smart dimension for the proper dimensioning. The outer circle has a diameter of and the inner circle has a diameter of C. Our sketch is complete. Now there is no extra information given in the sketch, so we will add our own assumption. We will use extrude boss base command and select this part, select your blind, and suppose the diameter is 30, and I will also choose direction 2 because I want the same circle on the back side and the same 30. Okay, now again go to sketch, extrude boss base, and this time select this surface. Go to mid plane, and I think 20 is enough. No, 30 mm, and okay. Now go to part, appearances, and select the color you want. I want this color. Click OK. Control 7. This is our isometric view. See, the circle is on the both sides. In the thumbnail, I choose the extrude boss base feature of 20 millimeter, and right now I choose 30 millimeter. It depends on you whether you choose 20, 30 or 40. Doesn't matter. So this is our part. I hope you liked the video. If you liked, hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more videos.